Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part of the 12-ish days of Christmas. I'm not really sure which day it is because I am hoping to create like a very makeshift vlog just to fill up my 12 videos because I am only at like video number 5. I have 2 more planned, and then after that I have no idea what to film. So I'm running my normal errands and I thought I would take you along with me. I stopped at Dollar Tree to get a couple things for a DIY. And then I may run over to Bath and Body Works. They're having a sale on their body lotions. They're going to be on sale for $2.75. That's amazing for stocking stuffers and gifts. So I'm going to quickly probably post in the community tab on YouTube about that in case you guys don't already know, because this video will be going up after the sale is ended. And then I'll probably haul everything for you guys and try to make this interesting, but no promises because your girl it is boring. I'm boring. I'm gonna call a spade a spade. I don't live an interesting life. Anyways, let's go inside. It's so busy. I really don't want to venture into the wild, but I know that I have to.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with
Okay guys,
you.
so I just got out of Dollar Tree. Let me make sure the air is not on. I don't think it is. This is literally the most unflattering angle. You can see that I have a double chin, which I tried to pretend like doesn't exist, but I don't have a car mount, so I have this sitting inside of like the little thing that you can put your GPS in. So anyways, YouTube, double chin, YouTube. So glad you guys could all finally meet. Not like you haven't before, but anyways, I'm gonna quickly show you what I got. I got this card, have yourself a merry little Christmas with the poinsettia, and this is ribbon, and these handmade cards are so amazing from Dollar Tree. Someone's about to hit my car. She stopped in the nick of time. I got this for my parents. What I went in there for, I was so excited to find because they're so hard to come by during the holidays, and it is this wreath ring. So yeah, I got one of those. I was also looking for the dusters that I've hauled like 8,000 of. All of mine are in use on my Christmas tree, but they didn't have a single one, so that's great. And then I picked up a bunch of like this fake Lego stuff for my nephew that I honestly don't know very well because it's Jose's brother's wife's child, who we didn't meet him until he was like a year ago. So Last Christmas was like the first holiday I spent with him. I don't know him that well, so hopefully he likes Legos. I got him this soldier with tank, soldier and policeman. Oh, I guess I got him several astronaut and ninja. Fire department, like helicopter. And then I got him all of these Legos. These are fake Legos, but it says they're compatible. They fit all leading brands. Lego is the leading brand, so that means they work with Lego. I also got him Brain Busters. It had animals on it, creepy crawlies. So this is about little crawly animals. And then the last thing I got him, this is for a stocking. We're making stockings for all of the big kids and giving them a gift card, so obviously I have to make a little something for the smaller kids, and we spend a little bit less on them sometimes. So I also got him these finger fighters. So that's what I got from Dollar Tree. I have to go to another Dollar Tree to look for dusters. Hopefully I can figure out a way to, oh wait, hold on, I did get one more thing. Hold on, I got one more thing. Kit Kats, because it's just that time in a woman's life that happens every so often, every 4 or 5 weeks, where you really need some chocolate. Ladies, you know what I mean. So this whole thing is for me. Not like I need it. Clearly I should have seen this and been like, you really don't need those, Kristen. But at least I didn't get a Pepsi. Sometimes I go in there and I get a Pepsi, so. Alright. I'll see you guys at Bath & Body Works. Hey you guys, so I made it to the zoo, safe and sound. I parked in front of a Maserati just to make myself feel like I was worthy of being near a Maserati, which I'm not. So yeah, I'm gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna film in there. I have a feeling it's going to be very, very, very wild and dangerous, and just say a prayer. Say a little prayer for me.
I'm on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year. Riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish. I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
Oh hey guys, you remember Double Chin, right? Double Chin? YouTube, you remember? Great. I'm really happy this isn't awkward and we've all finally become friends. Okay, so I'm out from the zoo. It was pretty wild in there. I'm filming in the car. This is actually Jose's car, this isn't mine. And it's pretty ballsy to be filming in the mall parking lot, because at any second I could see a human from high school, and that's like honestly the last thing that I wish upon myself. It really is, honestly. Give this video a thumbs up if you can agree. So I went into Bath & Body Works and I almost walked out because the line was so long and I knew I was only getting 3 lotions. I got 3 Vanilla Bean Noels. 1 for me to put in the bathroom, our guest bathroom, and 2 to put into Jose's niece's Christmas stockings. And then Pottery Barn is directly across from Bath & Body Works. My weakness, honestly, if I ever become well off one day, my home will be a Pottery Barn catalog copied to the T, most likely. But they had these beautiful ornaments there. I wanted them so bad. I'm like, treat yourself. And they're $6.50 full price, but they ended up being $4.50 because I think they were 25% off. They just have hymns inside, which it just like fits the theme of my tree so well. They're glass though. A lot of my ornaments this year are glass. So if I ever have leeches, I'm gonna have to switch over to shatterproof, I guess. Now I have to go to a different Dollar Tree to look for dusters. Who else gets a smoothie every time they go to the mall? When we were in high school, we would get a smoothie and a cookie from the Great American Cookie Factory. I would get the double one with the frosting in the inside. What is this? There's a person coming, hold on.
Oh my god, there is a human next to me getting into their car. She's gonna know what I'm doing.
She is backing out. She did not look like a human from high school. She's probably 10 years younger than me, so anyways, what was I saying? We were in high school. We would always get a smoothie. This person just pulled in next to me, a new person. Could easily be a human from high school. Was not. How cool does this look? Am I in an alternate universe? Have I been sucked into a black hole? My god. Anyways, we would get, how many times am I gonna freaking repeat myself? Smoothie, I would always get a strawberry daiquiri and then a double cookie, the one with the frosting in the inside. At the time, I played soccer. I could do whatever I felt like. I opted against the cookie now that I am in my late 20s because honestly I could not afford for that cookie to go anywhere on this body at this moment. I really need to hit a gym, mix in a vegetable into my diet, but I mean, I think I'm gonna wait until after Christmas. This is basically a vegetable right here. So off to Dollar Tree, and then I don't know if I have to go anywhere else. It's already almost 4 o'clock. So anyways, let's go to Dollar Tree number 2. Big money, big money.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else.
Okay, you guys, I'm back home. How pretty is my tree? I have everything here in the dining room that I bought from Dollar Tree number 1 and 2. From 2, I got the dusters. I got these 2 Kiss nail polishes, 2 packs of glue sticks, and I bought 6 of these glass champagne flutes. They are this brand, and they feel so thick and heavy duty. I needed some of these for Christmas morning breakfast. You guys saw the wreath ring. Here are more stocking stuffers that I got. These race cars with launchers, slime kit, Avengers puzzle, the woodshop helicopter, the, what do you call this, gumball machine with gumballs, and this Mickey little coloring book thingy. It comes with the crayons and 12 pages. And then you guys saw all of that. And then all of this stuff is for donation. I still have to haul and share with you guys all the stuff I was able to buy from the Grove Collaborative website with the credits that I earned through you guys signing up. In the month of October, every credit that I earned, it's $10 per person. I am donating, so I have over $300 worth of products to show you, but this is what I'm personally contributing besides the credits, and I do have a few other things, but I'll just kind of show you. Dollar Tree is a great place to go to like get stuff to donate, but I feel really good that I'm able to donate like really good, healthy, organic personal hygiene items. This stuff is great, and I'm sure someone's going to appreciate it, but I feel really good that I'm able to do beyond just this. So I have 9 deodorants here. I didn't even see, oh, I thought that was ripped. I have those. I have some kids toothpaste. I have a ton of adult toothpaste from Grove, so I didn't get any adult toothpaste. Dollar Tree has this Pure Silk, what's this called? Shaving cream. This stuff's actually good. I got some men's shaving cream. Dollar Tree carries micellar water too. So this is a makeup remover and moisturizer. I got 2 of those. I got 2 packs of these loofahs that have 4 mini loofahs. I prefer smaller loofahs. I know these are probably travel size, but I actually use these for every day. And when you get them from Dollar Tree, you can just kind of switch them out really quickly when you have 4 of them on hand. So hopefully they'll be able to use these. I'm sorry if I sound out of breath. I'm trying to talk pretty quickly because my phone is dying. I got these shower gels. I got these packs of razors, 2 of the women's and 2 of the men's, and they each come with 5 razors. 2 packs of floss. I wish they had off-brand floss that had like more than 1 pack in the thing, but they didn't. I got these containers with 6 toothbrushes. I got 2 of those. And then I got all of these fun kiddo toothbrush packs. This one says Firefly, Tsum Tsum, or Tsum Tsum, whatever. Hello Kitty, My Little Pony, Avengers, and Batman. So that's everything that I got. If you guys haven't seen my home tour yet and you're wondering about this stuff, I'll link it below because you'll see this in my home tour. So here's kind of an up close at those nail polishes. I'm gonna go paint my nails with these. This one's called Diesel. It's a dark hunter green without any glitter. And then this one is called Silver Star, and it's a chunky silver glitter, and there's some fine little micro glitters in there too. I think I'm gonna do an accent nail and the rest all dark green. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Okay, so this is how my nails turned out. Pretty cute. Very wintry and Christmassy without being the normal red, but I definitely am gonna paint my nails red for Christmas. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. I know this is probably the most boring video that I've ever posted ever. Maybe not though, I don't know. Sorry it was short. I'm struggling a little bit here with the 12-ish days of Christmas. I do have at least 2 to 3 more videos that I have planned. I know what I'm doing, and then I need to think up a few more. So if you have suggestions, please let a girl know in the comments below. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.